Hey guys, we received this Navycrest 5G Wi-Fi dash cam front and rear with 64 gigs card. So this is a dash cam for cars with a 2.5K or 1440p front and 1080 rear camera. It's a dash cam for the cars and the loop recording with the gravity sensor or anything. So let me just open the box and show you all the contents. So here comes in a really nice gift box sort of thing, and let me just open up this. So this is the dash cam. This is the way. These are the screen thing to put on. This is the main dash cam. So is the small factor dash cam here. This is to the windshield or the glass accessory box. So in this accessory box, they have like all these different thing like to put in the screen, the side ones, the stickers or the knobs to adjust the cable. This is the charging thing, like the smoke charger and the rear camera. So here you have two cameras, one for the front, one for the rear, and you can choose not to put the rear camera, it's up to you. So you can just put in this camera. So I'm just removing the protective sheet. This is the main charging and the charger cable. This is the other accessory kits with the screws and stuff. And this is the main front camera. So you can see it here. It have the micro SD card. So this comes with a 64 gigs card. And this is the app that you need to install. So once you add in, you can see like I just put in the sticker on the windshield and I put in the gist. So this one is easily stick to that shield and the shield is also protected. And here, so you have to set it with your mobile so that you can see it on your screen. So this is how you have to set this up with the Wi-Fi of this dash cam, and once this dash cam is all set, you can see it directly on your mobile. So these are the settings for the app. You have to format the SD card first, and then you can see the clarity here. You can also add the rear camera with the pin, and then you can see that's like you can add like this with the system, and you can use the camera. So it can be for the backup or the side or anything you want to use. So very nice dash cam.